Go.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
So my name is Mr. Rich, and I'm taking you through ICT unit. As you are new students to this school, I hope that you are very ready for this class. So I think you, before you applied for this course, you knew what it means by the word what? ICT. So I'm going to take you through ICT through the term, and then by the end of that term, you will know what ICT entails, you will know objective of ICT, careers in ICT, and application of ICT in real life. So objective of this information communication technology unit is to teach you the whole aspects of ICT in real life, education sector, industrial sector, in technology sector, and all that entails what? Information communication technology. So we are going to discuss or to introduce what is information communication technology. You can give us a hint about information technology. What does it entail in real life? Information technology. Yes, Mr. Dominic.
It involves sending messages from one place to another, or from one community to another.
Right? That is one branch. It involves sending of messages from one computer to another. So from the word information, we have communication, and then we have what?
Technology.
Information here comes from the word data. What is data? A collection of raw facts and figures about a certain what? Objects. Example, number of
Students.
when we combine many number of students plus their admissions plus their courses, that is data. But when we process them, it becomes what? Information. Then we have communication. Communication here refers to movement of communication through what? Movement of information through what? Certain channel. And that channel now will be our that channel will be our technology. Tools of ICT. We have what we call tools of ICT. Tools of information communication technology. Who can give us one example of tools of ICT? Tools of ICT?
Computers.
Okay, right.
Computers.
Without computers, then we will not be having what we call ICT. Any other tool of ICT? Any other? Yes?
And the internet
Federalized internet is another tool of ICT because this one channels us what we call communications. Any other? We have many others. I can mention a few. Wireless network. We have software program. I think I've sent you some questions, some notes. Software program. And then we have another one here, printers, scanners. So as an ICT officer in the future now, in your office you should be having what? All these ones, because those are the tools of ICT. You must have a computer. In computers here we have many computers. You can have what? A laptop, you can have what? Yes. All these one facilitates what you are doing, what you'll be doing in an office, because without these tools, the technology or the information cannot be passed. And then remember, you must have what? Printing. That is printing output that results from what? Computer. Then we have examples of ICT communication technologies. Examples of ICT communication technologies. One, we have mentioned here. Where is internet? We have internet. That is an example. I am giving you an example so that you give me the rest. Examples of ICT communication technologies. Any other? we have wireless networks, we have phones. One that you use is an example of what? ICT communication technology. Phones, we have video conference. Remember that time when we had Corona, people used to communicate via what? Zoom. And that is an example of an idea someone came up with instead of what we call video teleconference or telecommunication. So all this one is what we call examples of ICT communication technologies, what we are using in ICT to communicate. So then we have another one we call what? Social networking. Who can give us more about social networking? What social means? Is it social media?
Yes.
So how can we network in social networking? Remember some people can be WhatsApp, what? Is it WhatsApp call?
Yes.
Yeah, that is video. Any other? Any other? Facebooking. Yes, Facebooking. And then we have what we call X. Nowadays we have
Yes.
people can communicate through what? X space. Please say X space. Yes, this is among the tools of what? This is among the tools of ICT technologies. Some people normally uses all this, but they don't know what is. It is ICT technologies. Sometimes we say, okay, this is IC, but that person normally posting on X space, communicates on X space. That person may be WhatsApp calling, Facebooking, posting, editing, and by that time we have used what? ICT technology. Then we have what we call how has ICT integrated into everyday life? That's a question. In pairs, can we discuss how does ICT has integrated into real life? This question I gave to students last semester, 20 months to go and do it as a group. How has ICT integrated into real life? ICT inakusaidiaje kwa real life? Number one, groups. How does this one question goes up to 10 marks? You can explain 10 points, and these 10 points is to it. But for today, I want us to discuss in pairs, group work. 1 point is how does ICT integrated in real life? Because you have seen here, we have what we call what? Examples of ICT communication technology. We have what? Internet. You can explain this one using internet. You can explain this one using social network. Yes, social networking. One is? Yeah, giving you 2 minutes to discuss. Yes, group 1. Group 1 and group 2, please. Running out of time.
You have 1 point here.
Yes.
ICT has been integrated in schools
Yeah.
as a school management system.
School management system. Yes, school management system. Another one.
It has led to what we call global village.
Global? Yes, global village. Global village means here, we are, all of us, we are in the world, but we can communicate with that person who is in the United States of America, UN, It has brought the world into one single what? Village. Through what we call communication. You are very right. You have very right. School management system. Like before you came here, you did what? You applied via a platform. That platform becomes one of the school management systems. Then we got what we call ICT careers. What are the possible careers in ICT? Possible careers in ICT? Yes. Network administrator. So by the end of this unit, by the end of this course, certificate sits up. You will have graduated to be what? A network admin? Any other career? ICT technician, yes, very right.
Cyber security.
Cyber security technician, all those are what we call careers in ICT. The last part of our question is, list 4 types of ICT based gadgets. List 4 types of ICT based gadgets. List 4 types of ICT based gadgets. That is the last part.
Personal computer.
Personal computer, yes. What about radio? Radio? ICT gadget. What about television?
Yeah, smart TVs.
Smart television, yes. Like, e.g. for example, Samsung Smart TV. How does this work? You can use this one, YouTubing, networking, everything. So,
Yes.
yeah. So those are examples of what we call ICT gadgets. Assignment. And this assignment we do in groups to be submitted in the next class, which will be on Monday morning. Assignment. So the assignment that I'm going to give you is the one to go and research more about it, and then I come and teach you on that. Create a software. That will help in detecting problems associated with car engine. We can come and teach you on that in the next topic, but go and do the research. That is the end of our class. And before that, I would like to ask a few questions. What have we learned today?
We learned about the meaning of ICT in full.
Meaning of ICT in full?
Yes.
What is the meaning?
It's referred to as information and communication technology.
Information, communication technology. Yes, thank you, Mr. Dominic. Any other?
We learned that careers in ICT.
Careers in ICT. Gadgets in ICT, that's all. Thank you. We meet in the next lesson. You can sit at your own pleasure. Thank you.